Hi, this is Ann with SVG Cut File, and today I'm going to show you how to find cute fonts for your Cricut or Cameo machine. Alright, let's get started. So here's my process for finding cute new fonts for my Cricut projects. First I go to Pinterest.com. Now, if you don't have a Pinterest account, I really recommend that you get one because there are so many cute project ideas out here, lots of fonts, a lot of free fonts even, and just a lot of nice things to look at. So Pinterest is pretty awesome. Go ahead and get yourself an account. So anyway, after you've gotten your account, go up here to the search bar. We'll click on this, and I'm just going to type cute free Cricut fonts and hit return. And now there are just a lot of lists of cute fonts that you can use with your Cricut. So I'm going to come over here to this farmhouse fonts graphic, click on it, and I'm really liking a lot of these fonts. Now the name of the font is underneath. So this one is Silver Charm, this one's Moonflower, and I'm just going to click on this and it'll take me out to a blog. This is someone's blog. It's called Glitter and Grays, and they've compiled these cool fonts for Cricut. Now it's really nice because this website shows the name. You can just click here to download that font or to be taken to the fonts page. But sometimes the link on Pinterest will be broken, and if that's the case, just go back to the Pinterest image and you can actually just Google Silver Charm font and see if it comes up, or Magnolia Sky and see if that comes up. So my favorite on this page is Magnolia Sky, so let's go ahead and download that one. I'll just come down here and here it is. Click on that. And this gets me to Dafont.com, which is a really popular free font site. When you download from this site though, you really need to be careful about whether fonts are free for personal use or commercial use. Commercial use means that you can use them in projects and then sell those projects. So let's say you wanted to make t-shirts with this font. You cannot sell it if it's free for personal use only. So you need to read a little bit about the license. This one says personal use only. If you want to get a commercial license, you can also go to this website and you'll have to pay for it. So we'll go ahead and download this. And then I'm going to click right here and choose Show in Finder. And now this is coming in as a zip file. So if you're on a Mac, all you need to do is just double click it. If you're on a PC, you can right click and then choose Extract or Extract All. And when you do both of those things, you'll get a little folder with some fonts in it. Now the README, you'll want to take a look at it. This is non-commercial use. You can read more about the license there. And then we'll double click our TTF to install this. Now when I say TTF, I'm talking about the last 3 digits that you'll see on the file name. And OTF is another popular font file. Anyway, we'll double click it. On a Mac, we can just install. On a PC, you'll want to right click it and choose Install Font or something like that. Okay, now let's go out to Cricut and see if it got installed. I'm opening Cricut Design Space. I'm just going to resize the window and then we'll go to New Project. And now we can type some text. I'll hit the T button over here and I'll just type text. Now I'm going to select all of this by just highlighting it, and then we'll come up to the fonts. Now when I click on this, we have all of these options, but I don't really want to look at all of the fonts. I just want my system fonts. The Cricut fonts are just not my favorite, but anyway, we can search fonts here and search for the Magnolia Sky, and here it is. So now our text has been changed to the Magnolia Sky. A lot of times in Cricut, there'll be a lot of extra letter space, so you can decrease that to make sure your fonts connect like they should. And that looks pretty good. So this is how I find really cute fonts to add and install in Cricut Design Space so I can use them for my projects. Alright, if you like this video and you want to see more videos like it, just hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it, and you'll be notified every time a new video comes out. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you!